All right, when you have your spoiler raised, you can push the button in your cabin to raise that. You will see that there is another brake light down here, and that one also needs to work. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have my 2005 Carrera S 911 997.1, and if you see this error here on your dash, this little warning, what that really means in translated German is that this higher rear center brake light is not functioning. So today we're going to learn how to replace that. All right guys, I did a video on replacing the top center brake light, but this other one here, the lower one that is in part of the spoiler that comes out, I have a bulb out, so I need to try to figure out how to replace this guy. So there's a button in the car, you push it, raises your spoiler. Hopefully you know about that one already. And you'll see that there's these 4 little caps, 2 on each side. I'm just gonna take a tiny screwdriver and pop them out. Just being very gentle, not to scratch anything. Got it started. I'm just gonna remove them. They just look like this. There are little screws that are gonna be in there we're gonna remove. All right, if you stick a T20 in here, you can get a hold of them to loosen them. I've heard you don't have to remove them all the way, but you can, and if they fall off in there, it's not too bad. You'll be able to reach them later. So I'm gonna try the just loosen them method and see what happens. All right, now here's where you get to learn more about your car. If you grab this part and slide it back towards the rear of the car, it starts to separate. And after you slide it back a little, you can just lift it right off. And look at that. So these are the little bolts that we were loosening. So when tightened, they are just tightening up into these like clips back here. So obviously we're gonna clean all of this out and all of the gunk that is on here. I noticed earlier that one of mine is cracked. So I guess this is a separate piece you could buy. Hopefully I'm gonna put a wing on mine eventually. If anybody happens to have a Tech Art 3 that they wanna give away, let me know. So anyway, let me set that aside and come investigate. So this is a lot like the upper one, it looks like. There are these little springs on each side, or a little, like a button, the spring, so you press it in, one on each side. Here is the electrical connector for them, and I assume that will lift up. Let me vacuum this crap out. So this one here, I'm just going to screw back in a little bit to have a little clearance for this right here. You can tell that you just push here on the tab and this will release and come off. All right, so once you pull that out, we're gonna push in these 2 clips at the same time. And once you do that, it's coming out forward like that. So catch it. Nothing else holding it in. I was hoping maybe there would be little separate bulbs that I could replace, but that was a silly idea. Anyway, I'll try to put a link to a new one of these in the description below. It does have some part numbers here on it. The top one had one of those little boxes checked for which one this was. This one does not, which is interesting. So just gonna buy a new one of these and replace the whole unit. That's all there is. Snap it back in place. Hope this video was helpful. Please give it a thumbs up if it was, and check out some of my other videos, especially if you have a really cool Porsche Carrera S.